Hi, this is Elisa with WTI. Are you having vision fatigue because you're using your cell phone and your computer every day? I have the perfect solution for you. This livho 2-pack light blocking glasses come with a case each with the screwdriver in case the screw loosens from the glasses, and it also comes with this card that allows you to test the effect of the blue light. You're going to see the effect where the lens is and where it's not. Certainly it damages our eyes so much. I'm working from home, so having these glasses really avoids me from having visual fatigue. My husband also works from home, so having these glasses avoid him from having blurry vision or even affecting his sleep and even minimizing his headaches. Not only does the blue light affect when you're using a computer, but it can be when you're using your cell phone device too, or even video games. These glasses are not only stylish, but they're also ultra weight. They're so comfortable. You can carry them around in your case. It's very convenient because it's not big, it's not bulky, it's just what you need. You can fit it on your purse, on your pocket. These light blocking glasses have really helped my husband and I. I highly recommend them, and that is my point of view.